Grade 5. My name is Sajad and I'll be teaching you guys mathematics for these online classes beta. Uh, Before we start our first lecture, I want you guys to understand and know about the book. The book we will be following in this course or in this mathematics class will be Countdown 5, second edition by Oxford. All right. Now, when you open the book, I want you guys to go to page number 1. As you guys can see that, this is page number 1. I hear. Okay. And like any first lecture, this lecture would be about some of the revision you guys have done in your grade 4. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हम repeat करेंगे, कुछ ऐसी skills हम repeat करेंगे जो आप क्लास 5 में कर चुके हैं और फिर उन्हीं की बेसिस पे हम आगे ये ग्रेड 5 को कंप्लीट करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वन, गेटिंग रेडी. पार्ट 1 में क्या है, पहले स्टार्ट गेटिंग रेडी. इफ यू लुक एट दिस pyramid, ये देख रहे हैं आप, नंबर का pyramid है दिस वन. व्हाट इज इट? बेसिकली ये जो बॉटम नंबर्स हैं, इट नॉर्मली स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बॉटम, राइट. जो सबसे नीचे वाला है, देखो जैसे 14 और 8, इन दोनों का डिफरेंस क्या है? 14 माइनस 8, द आंसर इज 6, राइट. तो उसके बिल्कुल ऊपर नंबर जो होगा वो क्या होगा? 6. इसी तरह 17 और 18 का, 17 एंड 18, इसका क्या है? 17 माइनस 8, आई एम सॉरी, 17 माइनस 8, द आंसर इज 9. ओके, मूविंग अपवर्ड, 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Good job, guys. Okay, so let's complete these ones. If you look at these pyramids, first one is 24 minus 6. The answer is 18, right? The answer is 18. And if we look at 11 minus 6, what would be the answer here? 11 minus 6. What would be the answer? The answer would be 5. Good job, guys. The answer would be 5. Right? Here we're going to write 5 here. Is that clear? So the next question is 18 minus 5. What would be the answer? 18 minus 5. The answer would be 13. Good job, guys. Very good job. Now moving. All right, moving to the next part, that is B. What we are going to be doing is using these numbers, which is in the lowest block of the pyramid, and we will be going upward. Yes, 23 minus 18. What is the answer? 5. Very good job. What is the answer? 5. And same is the case with 79 minus 23. Use rough work for this. If we do that, 79 minus 23. 9, let's take 3 out of 9, it will be 6. And 2 out of 7, it will be 5. The upper number would be 56. You got that right. And same is the case, 79 minus 44. 79 minus 44. Let's take this out. 5 and 2. The upper number would be 25. Good job. And let's minus it. 56 minus 5. Easy one. 51, right? And 56 minus 25. That will be 31. All right. And moving upward, if you can see 51 minus 31, it will be an easy 20. All right. Is that clear for you guys? Good. Now what I want you to do is, in the same manner, I want you to complete part C, D, and E. And after completing that, take a picture of this and share it in the group as your homework. All right. Is that clear? Good job. Let's move to the second part. Question number 2. And that is basically bringing all your previous concepts and applying it here. All right. As you guys have studied LCM, part A. Part A is about LCM. LCM, what is LCM? The least or the lowest common multiple, right? ऐसा मल्टीपल, ऐसा नंबर जिस पे ये दोनों डिवाइड होते हो, नंबर 6 और 9 और जो छोटा 3. अब 90 पे भी दोनों डिवाइड होते हैं, 45 पे भी होते हैं. तो जो देखना है लोएस्ट वन वाला, राइट? विच वन? लोएस्ट वन वाला. ठीक है, हम कैसे करते हैं इसको? 6 and 9, राइट? ये दोनों किस पे डिवाइड होते हैं? 3 पे. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, right? Okay, now well, let's multiply all these numbers. 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. So the LCM of 6 and 9 क्या होगा? 18. Alright, what will it be? 18. Clear, guys? Good job. Is that clear? Good. All right, guys, moving to the part B of question number 2. The statement, what it says, read it please. If a square carpet covers an area of 25 meters square, each side is space meters long. All right, to understand this question, we need to understand a concept better. What is it? Square. Square, you know that square has all equal sides, right? This, right? For example, this is A and this is B. All right? So if this is A and this is B, the area of this square would be, area is A multiplied by B, or the area would be AB, right? You get that, right? So if they are asking if this thing is what we call it a square, it has an area which is 25 meters square, right? So what would be this and this length? So let's do this. What are the numbers? Which number, if we multiply it by itself, so it will give us an answer of 25. For example, 2 2s are 4. That cannot be it. 3 3s are 9. No, that is not it. 4 4s are 16. No, that is not the it. So 5 into 5 क्या होगा? 5 into 5 is equal to 25. So this A side would be 5 and B side would be 5. So our answer here would be, if a square carpet covers an area of 25 square meter, each side. So each side is what? So all these sides are equal. So each side would be of 5 meters long, right? What is going to be the length? 5 meters long. Is that clear, guys? There is another way, that is through square root. We will understand that concept later in this. Is that clear, guys? Good. Moving on to the next part, which is C. If you look at C, a rectangle 11.5 centimeter long and 4.5 centimeter wide has a perimeter of, okay, that's again, rectangle is like this, which has 2 smaller sides and 2 larger sides. That is what we call it, rectangle, right? And what is it saying? One of the wide is 4.5 meter, right? And long is 11.5 centimeter. right? So we need to figure out the perimeter of this. All right, to find the perimeter of this, we need to figure out, or we need to identify the length and the width as given in the question. If you can see that long is the length, wide is the width. So length is 11.5 centimeters and width is 4.5 centimeters. So to find the perimeter, this is the formula we use in finding the perimeter, and that is 2 into length multiplied by width, and that would be 2 into 11.5, that is the length, and 4.5, that is the width, right? If we now we can use calculator to find out what is the what is the answer for after multiplying 11.5 multiplied by 4.5. The answer would be 51.75, and if we multiply it by 2, this is the answer we get, right? And that is what the perimeter of rectangle. All right, so this is good enough for the first lecture. All right, in the second lecture we will be doing the remaining part from D till K of this question number 2, inshallah. See you till then. But before leaving this, I want you guys to do practice of all these questions which we discuss in this lecture on a register. I'm hoping to see you soon. Take care. Bye.